Hey there, it's Erin with Time Saving Templates, and in today's video, I'm going to go through everything that is included in the Rewards Accelerator bundle. On this page, I have our 5 different bundles, and then we also have the individual HR templates. But the Rewards Accelerator is the newest bundle that was added last fall. If you were following along with last week's video, I covered a specific example of a merit increase program, and I used a template from Rewards Accelerator to generate some merit letters to give to the employee, letting them know this was your increase and all of that. So that is what Rewards Accelerator does. It can generate up to hundreds or even thousands of personalized PDF statements. That's going to work with promotions, merit increases, bonuses, and different types of total reward statements. So before I dive in, I also want to mention with these 5 different bundles, they're all a little bit different, but with Rewards Accelerator and the All-Star HR bundle, those are the only 2 where you get a login and you can log in and download the templates right away. And that means they're also unlocked and unprotected, so you can make your own customizations and that kind of thing. The other bundles, Turnover, Base Pay Bundle, and the HR Starter Kit are emailed to you. So diving right in, so within Rewards Accelerator, you will get a login. So you'll log in in order to download all the files. And this is what it will look like when you log in. You'll get the link and there's intro. There is one section to download all of your files, so you can just download all the Excel files at once. There's also PDF guides and the planners. Now the rewards planner is free. You can go ahead and get that now. I'll link to that, but it's also in the program. This Rewards Accelerator has the most videos going over how to do each of these types of letters for pay changes or reward statements. And it's a lot more educational if you want to learn how to use these tools to generate these letters and statements at scale. I will walk you right through it. There's also the example statement PDFs. It helps to download to just take a look at what the different options are, because within each Excel file, there's several different templates. So these are just an example. I'll just run through real quick. A promotion is going to show current pay versus new pay. All of this is customizable, and you can put what text you want in here and everything. Then there's also a notification of a bonus payout. There's usually 2 types, a very simple type and another letter type that has a breakout of how the bonus is calculated. This one has company performance factor and weight, individual performance. And then there's also the statements. So the statements can have a lot of information because you're showing compensation and benefits and just everything the company is doing. So this is one that has a lot. This is another version that's more simple, but there's also an even simpler one. So a very simple one is here. Of course, all the colors and fonts and everything is customizable. And I walk through that in the different videos in this section. So there's a section for letters for pay changes, and then there's a section for total reward statements. So each of these has a video, and it will walk through an example of each file. So total rewards, bonuses, merit, and the different statements and how to run the automation. So when you first download all Excel templates, it will look like this. You will have, 10 or 11 templates. So within each template, there are different tabs with the different types of templates. So if you watched last week's video, I used this merit and combo letters tab that had 4 different types of letters you can use. There was like a simple version and then a more transparent version if you're sharing more information. on ranges, and then also a version for people only getting a merit and people getting a merit and a bonus. So that was one file covered in last week's video. There's also the bonus detail letters that will have, I believe, 5 different versions of 5 different templates you could possibly use. And then there's also promotions for hourly, promotions for salaried, and then the 5 total reward statements. So overall, it's 15 plus types of letters or statements, 5 total rewards, 5 bonus awards, or notification letters. So it could be like the start of a new program, not the actual bonus being paid out. 2 combination letters with merit and bonus awards. That's the one I went through last week. 2 types of merit increase letters, and then 2 types of promotion letters. That is everything included. And then, of course, the videos, the automations are inside. Each of these templates has a button within it to click on to create. You copy or paste the details, the file paths, and you click it to run it, and it runs. Also, there is the create folders tab. So this is to help with the distribution when you need to distribute these letters and statements to multiple managers. So say you have 10 or 20 managers or more, saving each letter, making sure each manager gets the letter for their specific employee can be very time consuming if you don't have it set up. This is a whole section for creating the folders fast, figuring out what folders that you need. It will automatically save the statements for each manager's folder. Then you can just copy and send the folder to each specific manager. So the best practice is having the manager talk to the employee about their increase or promotion at the same time that they're giving them this letter or statement. There is also a section on customizing your statements and letters. I've gone through the most common things in examples that I thought would help. This goes over basic Excel edits and using the XLOOKUP and VLOOKUP and concatenate formulas. Also formatting how the numbers appear in the letter. If you're making a lot of changes, you may have to do something with the formatting. And the bonus guide using AI for your HR communications and project planning. So that is what it looks like inside Rewards Accelerator. You will have access to the templates and the automations, and then you also have the extra videos to learn a little bit more about Excel and making your own customizations. So I hope that helps explain what is actually included in Rewards Accelerator and how that's different from a lot of the other template packages. Don't forget to grab the free rewards planner, which I will link to here, and we will send that your way. And it just goes over the key dates, timeline, and helps you to plan how are you going to do these letters. But this timeline gives you an idea of what Rewards Accelerator helps with, and that is this section here, generating letters and communications. Until next time, don't forget that I am here to help you streamline and save time when it comes to using your Excel spreadsheets. Thanks.